that you're our friend. So today, let's follow my journey to have Absen new product for rental and stage, Absen NT V2 series. Okay, so our story will be started with Absen NT, our first generation, and then we're thinking about, so nowadays, what's the next generation and what our customer really want? How Absen NT V2 series can deliver match our customers' demand. And then next, but most the important part, Absen will offer the special offer during the ISLE event. Let's have a brief look back about Absen first generation NT series. This product has been launched in September 2022. In the past 2 years, this product series has been globally sold out 400,000 panels, and have been reached over 90 countries and win the trust with our global partner more than 200. This is a big success in the Absen rental business history. And this product also used in the high-end profile globally events like BYD new product launch and the Weibo Light, including for the Latin American Global Phone concert. To Absen, our priority strategy is product innovation. So we are thinking what's the next generation technology we can bring the value for our rental staging partners. And at the same time, Absen always listen and working close with our partner to thinking about what they really want. So the feedback is about for the rental staging, we need lighter panels, we need less operation, we need faster setup, we need less anti-compilation, and also we need more better quality image. At the same time, now we need more creative stage. And finally, the key point is, Linda, how you can maximize my ROI, how you can support my business for more money. Okay, so how Absen NT series can deliver, can match all of these expectations from our global partners. Let's have an overview of Absen NT V2 series. This series with a pixel pitch from 1.9 to 2.6 to 2.9 can be perfect high resolution for the indoor application. With the panel size 200 by 200 and 200 by 1000 for pixel pitch 2.6 and 2.9, and panel size 500 by 500 for 1.9. And the different panel size can be seamless, connected with each other. Okay, so, and then you will ask Linda, what's the key features, what's the key benefit you can bring for us? This slide will show you clearly the top 5 key features of the Absen NT V2 series. Number 1, 24% lighter compared to the conventional LED panels. Number 2, 4 times greater LED thrust. Number 3, 20% faster installation. Number 4, important is about how is the image quality. Number 5 is be creative, be more unique to make my stage. Okay, next I will bring the details of each key features. The first features I would like to highlight is about the panel weight. 24% lighter design about the panel. So from here you can see the numbers. For the panel 500 by 1000, one panel weight only 9.5 kg. What means by one panel only 9.5 kg? It means that 1 square meter the total weight is only 90 kg, under 20 kg. This kind of the innovation can bring the more faster installation. At the same time, like this kind of the application can bring the more less, fewer high input edge. Now, when the LED screen application come to the pixel pitch P2.6, P2.5, P2.9, and then outdoor for P3.9, our partners always have the trouble with the LED lamp damage. They always care about how to improve this kind. And this also becomes the LED display industry challenge. Now the market also have the solution like GOB and also like the pop chip or RSM. But to Absen, we always thinking when we improve the LED struts, but at the same time to ensure the image quality. And after Absen R&D team and also product team research, Absen promote with the technology of IMD 2-in-1 technology. With this technology, the LED struts improve 4 times from 2.6 kg to 13 kg. And then not only the improve of the LED struts, but at the same time we can ensure the high contrast. At the same time, ensure the color uniformity. Also will be easy for our partner to do the maintenance, be similar with the SMD technology. Okay, so except the LED struts, nowadays the stage, we can know that every stage the screen size become bigger and bigger. Each event the screen size can be like over 500 square meter. So how to make the LED installation become more faster, more efficient during the limited time? This is also the key requirements from our customer. So with the advanced vertical locking system, with the features with 2 economic handles here, and then only 2 steps. This is also industry innovation. From only 2 steps up and lock, we can finish the vertical installation. For the horizontal, and here locate the B design and also adjustable from minus 7.5 to the 10 degree. Okay, for the LED screen, the most key function is to show the video, to deliver the most vivid image to the audience. So to Absen, the quality of the video is Absen advantage. How Absen advanced the NTV2 series quality image? Firstly, it support HDR10 Plus and also 94% DCI P3 color value and Delta E 2.1 BT 2020. All of this data support NTV2 series can have the visual like cinema quality display. At the same time, this series supports the brightness up to 1000. This means that the NTV2 series can be vivid visibility in any setting required environment. Standard panels support 7680 refresh rate and also support the 60-bit. What means by 60-bit? It brings every details of your content. Okay, what else the NTV2 series can bring the value to our partner? Now the stage and also including the event, including for the exhibition. Customer always asking how to make my exhibition, my booth be unique, be different, be creative. NTV2 series can support with the cube design, and we also upgrade for the NTV2 series for the cube panels can support tour-free fast installation. And at the same time, for the upgrade flexible panels can support pixel pitch from 1.9 to 2.6 to 2.9 and adjustable from minus 45 degree to plus 45 degree. All above panels can support the dazzling concave, convex display, including for the L shape, including for the semicircular, including for the cube. All of this design and all of this creative can realized by NTV2 series. Okay, So all features above can be resolved the final accent rate with your expectation of 29% shorter payment back. It means that you invest will be more faster than others can support you return on your investment, which along with 20% labor cost, 20% lower transportation cost, 25% maintenance cost, and 8% warehouse cost. This all cost is also during the operation cost. For the LED display, including your buying cost, including for the investment for the hardware, also the operation cost, and including the second-hand selling cost, totally become the total cost of the LED screen lifetime. So you are welcome to contact Absen sales team for the exclusive offer and also for more expert guidance. Thanks for your attention. Is all about the introduction of Absen new product NTV2 series, and also we are looking forward to the great cooperation with our global partners for your rental business. Thank you all.